Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for watch more latest video in this time. First, Sila Tulkalo and series Seher started goodbye to the series in an connected system of scandal. The actress remaining seemed in episode 400 170 in the 1-3 season. Sila accused the series producer of mobbing. The series Seher publicly stated that she once forced to appear in front of the camera even when she used to unveil and own in poor health leave. The producer of the series accused Sila Turkoglu of failing to comply with his premises of the contract, claiming that she had made an oral agreement with the producer that she would go away the sequence after the case of the second season, but this studio decided to lengthen the manufacturing of the soap opera, and the actress was pressured to pursue working. Ultimately, both aspects met in the court. See extra fact and image of new actor from the series. Another actor leave the set of Turkish collection heritage. This is Halil Ibrahim Sihan, an actor of primary male role. Yaman, let us remind you that before and with Bank Sila Seher left in the series, we take a look at a way why actors disappear from the collection heritage and who will exchange them in the cleaning soap opera. Here, the brand new media reports Polish viewers follow the destiny of the horses and of the Turkish collection heritage with interest, and for now they can watch each Halil Ibrahim Sian and Yaman and Sila. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.